Okay. That thing that I said at the beginning of the year that I'm going to try not to do too many of these. I know. But I lied. Here's something that I just want to just bring up. I don't think that people fully understand the nuance that's going on with that ride in African Americans. They don't understand that as long as that ride exists, I don't have proper representation and I don't feel welcome. So they do these really weird things like I'm going to wear all black because of the ride's closing, or I'm going to start a petition because that ride is closing. I'm going to do everything it takes so that way it doesn't affect my childhood while forgetting the rest of everybody else that might be affected. It hurts me as a human being that this ride is gone. So tomorrow, there's going to be a lot of people that's going to be at the park. I am not going to be at Magic Kingdom, but there's going to be just a load of people paying their respects to this ride. And afterwards, people are going to say, oh, it wasn't that bad. It was actually very cordial. But you don't get to see the element because you're not involved with that particular race of people. Like, black people going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow is a problem. Put it this way. It's okay to be sad that your favorite ride is closing. It's perfectly fine. I completely understand. But you have to understand there is levels to this. And you, as a creator, you have a privilege. You have a privilege that I do not have when it comes to this ride. You have a privilege that you can arrive to the park, you can wear all black, and you can mourn, and you can be very, very sad, and you can do some performative action that shows the world that you are heartbroken that this ride no longer exists. I do not get the same privilege because if I was to arrive at that park, I will be met with a different level of acceptance. I will be met with the fact that I am not welcome in that park, and I am not welcome in that part of the park, and I am not welcome anywhere near where should be. It's a very nuanced situation, and those type of people don't understand it. They don't get it, but they make videos like this showing the world that they don't have a fucking clue.